Activity 1 uses two very simple and cheap pieces of material, a newspaper and an ordinary ballpoint pen. I'm going to do this activity in a slightly thicker pen so that it shows up on the camera. The activity begins with drawing some simple boxes, and the nice thing about using a newspaper is that you've got the lines ready given for you in the lines of text and in the columns. So I'm just practicing drawing some relatively small boxes, about 3 centimetres by 3 centimetres. The largest ones could be 6 centimetres by 6 centimetres, and they can be rectangular, don't have to be square. I'm going to use these to demonstrate and develop a little bit of control. So the first thing you do with these is to fill them in with some controlled cross-hatching. This is not a scribble motion, this is a more controlled motion where you're controlling the movement in your fingers. I've done that cross-hatching at 45 degrees. I'm doing this one vertically, quite fast. I'm not caring too much about going over the lines, and this one I'm going to change directions and do it this way. And what this is doing for me is just demonstrating some control of the fingers and the wrist. Now, having done that, I'm going to use those squares and boxes, and I want to pick one letter from anywhere on that page, and I'm going to pick that letter there. That's T from tactics. And I'm going to draw that letter in using my box as a guideline. So it's got a curved edge there, comes down, comes across, comes down, there's a loop on the end of that, and it comes around. And I can fill that in either by cross-hatching or with this broad pen. I can block that in quite quickly to begin to shape in that letter. And what this activity is doing for me is it's making me look at the shapes of letters, and that's helpful when we come to designing, because that close observation of small details is absolutely essential to designing. And if you can do that and fill several boxes, then that's activity 1 completed.